Hello, children of the sun. This is Nate Stevens, Captain Starchild, at your service. I have a new song here. I don't have the melody yet, but I have the words, and I wanted to send them out there. This is called Sacred Goddess. O sacred goddess of all holy waters, rain down upon us, raising the flowers. Fill up our cups, just keep pouring for hours. Mni Wiconi, my God, holy powers. All life is sacred, I pray and give thanks. Grandmother, grandfather, send prayers up the ranks. Medicine wheel is a circle of life. Take away my fears, watch away all my strife. Gitcheegumi Mississippi Great, mother, my life. Wankan, Tanka, great spirit, Gitcheemanidu is right. Singing praises, sing blessings, giving thanks for the nights. Stars shining upon, glowing, I pray with all my might. Ancestors, ancient temples of nature, wood and stone, made instruments and tools out of rocks and bones. Eagle whistle, feather dusters, headdresses, skull and crossbones unite, playing beautiful melodies on sacred wooden flutes, giving thanks for all life. Once again, this is Nate Stevens, Captain Starchild, signing out. Check out my music at bandcamp.com. That's natestevens.bandcamp.com. natestevens.bandcamp.com. Really good music. Thank you, and peace to all you children of the sun.